Okay, so I just want to quickly go over what rating of perceived exertion is and how to use it. This is very quick and dirty, so don't feel like it has to be perfect. It definitely doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a tool to help guide programming and progression over time. So RPE stands for rating of perceived exertion, and that's a subjective evaluation of how hard you are working, basically. So we'll go to this screen right here. So like in sport, basically a 10 out of 10 RPE means that it was like a maximal effort. You could not, in the case of lifting, you could not do another repetition. So if I say, which I probably won't in most of your programming, like if I say I want you to do 5 sets or sorry, 5 repetitions at RP 10, that would mean that it would be like a true maximal effort where you can't do one more rep. A 9 would be basically 1 rep in reserve. So if I say an RP, a set of 5 for an RP 9, or at RP 9, you would have 1 rep left in the tank. A lot of training is going to live in the 6 to 7 and 8 range. Like the 8 is considered really hard, but that's 2 reps in reserve. So basically a set of 5 at RP 8 would mean that you could do 7. This gets easier to track over time. Same thing, RP 7 would mean that you have 3 reps in reserve, or you could do 3 more reps. So a set of 5 at RP 7 would mean that you could do potentially 8 repetitions. There are factors like fatigue and things like that come into play, but we're not going to worry about those right now. Basically, what you need to be able to do is, if I say I want you to do 3 repetitions at RPE 8, you find a weight that basically hits those 2 variables. So say it's back squat, and the best back squat you've ever squatted is 200 pounds. And I say, I want you to do a set of 3 repetitions at RP 8. You might work up to like 165 or something like that for 3 repetitions, and you judge that as an RP 8 set. And then you just let me know that data. And then over time, what this does is it manages fatigue better, because you're giving me a subjective indicator. We're not just worrying about weight going up over time, because I mean, we want weight to go up over time, but life happens, other stress happens. And if your RPE is increasing to do that 165 pounds, then you're not actually getting stronger, and we need to change some variables. So I hope that helps. Reach back out to me if you need some help. This is just a quick and dirty exposure to it. So it's going to evolve over time.